something small about Iduri.
In the wee hours of this morning, as the defense team, which was burning the midnight candle to represent Rutare and Besigye, finalized plans to come here and do a robust defense work. Some criminals from UPDF abducted retired Major Ronald Iduri from his home in Werenga and disappeared him with the sole purpose of frustrating the defense team of Besigye and Rutare. We condemn that in the strongest terms possible, and we have urged the chairman of this military tribunal that if this is not to be projected as the kangaroo military tribunal it is, then they should restrain members of the UPDF from abducting members of our team. That is not the first threat against members of our team. We have been ignoring some signs of intimidation or directed towards the defense team, and we shall continue to ignore those methods. But we must assert the right of the accused to a fair hearing, to a fair representation, to dignified treatment, to their liberties as guaranteed by the 1995 Ugandan Constitution. And we are not intimidated. We are not bullied. We shall come here in this military barracks surrounded by soldiers and continue to do the work of representing our people. We have also the grievance of being denied where to sit. Most of our lawyers today were not able even to get seats, and we have not even concluded the issue of representation because both the military tribunal is in cahoots with Museveni and the Law Council of Uganda and illegally trying to block the visiting jurists from Kenya from representing Besigye, contrary to his sacrosanct right to choose who represents him as a lawyer, how many lawyers represent him. So we are going to continue fighting these battles on all fronts. There is an all-out legal war against the injustice that has been meted out against our clients, and we shall keep you posted. Thank you very much.